Hello, this is Tom Bogner from Lucas Oil Products. You may have seen me working on cars, trucks, heavy duty. How about a boat? Today I'm going to do a product spotlight on two products from Lucas Oil's marine line, our 10W40 synthetic and our M8 gear oil. Let's do it. Okay, we're going to start our first step, which will be locate your dipstick, because we're going to insert our suction line here. So we're going to remove our dipstick and we're going to just simply insert our suction all the way to the bottom so that we're at the bottom, and we'll grab a suction. Okay, this will take a few minutes to draw out. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to gather up my tools and my lubricant and we'll be ready to go. This boat has two engines. These are Yamaha 150s, very popular engines for outboards, and they hold 5 quarts of motor oil, just over 5 quarts actually. So I'm going to utilize the handy 5-quart container, easy to pour in, and then I'm going to top it off and check it and utilize our pure synthetic oil stabilizer. And why? So I can amplify that oil and add even a little bit more protection as this boat sits in the water and runs in salt water. So let's finish. Okay, next step, let's loosen up and remove the oil filter so we can replace it. And I always make sure I put a little clean oil on the O-ring and inspect my sealing surface on the housing, and everything looks good. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a quick snug. And that's it. We're ready to roll. Okay, we finished suctioning out the old oil. Next step will be to fill it. Now that I've put in 5 quarts, I know I need about a half a quart. I'm going to top it off with Lucas Pure Synthetic. And I've been using the Lucas Pure Synthetic since this wasn't even labeled, so I've done years and years of research with this product, even before working for Lucas Oil. So there's so many applications for this. You don't need to have it, but we make it. I'm going to use it because I know how it works. Okay, we've completed the engine oil. Now it's time to do the lower unit. First step, we got to drain the oil. Now to really get the oil draining, I'm going to need to vent it. And this is also your oil level when we get ready to fill it. And as you can see, we're draining, and to check and make sure you get your gasket, which we do. All right, now that I've drained the oil, it's time to fill it up. You probably won't find this fitting at your regular automotive, so you may have to go to a marine outlet to buy that. But this is a fitting that will thread right back in. Now our next step will be to pump it until we hit our oil level, which will be indicated when it starts to drain out here. We know we're full, and it took a little over 1.5 quarts to fill it. And we made sure we are level on the motor and the lower unit. Next, we will remove this and install our drain plug, and we'll be done with this unit. Okay, we've completed our task today. Products we used, Lucas Oil 10W40 synthetic, as well as our Lucas Oil M8 gear oil. Lucas Oil marine products, they work.